namatay yung anak niya noong June 23, 2024 habang sakay ng Angkas app. Nangako ang Angkas company, pero palabo ng palabo ang communication po nila sa amin. May sulat po ako para sa Angkas company pero wala po ang email address nila. Ang meron lang po ako ay ang email address ng representative nila na halos hindi na papunta sa wala. Napunta sa wala ang reply sa amin. Sana matulungan niyo po ako. Tapos may-ari ng Angkas company dahil ang tauhan ay ang mga tauhan ng Angkas ay nagbibingi-bingihan lang sa pag-asikaso ng kaso ng anak ko, Ria Monica Nolasco. Alam yung kaso ni Ria Monica Nolasco?
I'm not familiar, Mr.
No,
Chair.
you're familiar.
No, I am. I will
Okay, so what are
look
you gonna do
into
about
it, Mr. Chair. We will look into the case, Mr. Chair, if I can get all the details po.
So ganun ba kayo sa Angkas?
Sir,
Dapat meron ba kayong hotline?
sir, meron po. May hotline po kami. Tapos multiple hotlines po. Sa app din po, pwede po mag-diretso po ng complaints.
Pero ito nga, dumaan siya sa proseso. Pero nagbibingi-bingihan daw yung mga alipores mo, sir.
So, thank you, Mr. Chair, for bringing that to light. Hindi po namin ito tolerate yan. We will make sure po, Mr. Chair, na maasikaso po yan ng tama.
Okay,
Pasensya na po, Mr. Chair, since June pa po yan.
sige. Gusto ko mabayaran ito before the end of the week.
Makakaasa po kayo, Mr. Chair.
Hindi, I'm serious. Kasi ilang buwan na siya nag-antay, oh. Di ba? Yung pag-iwas-iwas ninyo, namatay na ngayong tao, masama ng loob, nagdadalamhati na kasi anak niya namatay. Pagkatapos, paikot-ikutin nyo at bibingi-bingihan ko, hindi, I want them paid by Friday.
Makakaasa po kayo, Mr.
Total,
Chair.
matagal naman naka-file dun sa inyo yan eh, di ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So Friday, release the payment.
I will get with the details during this hearing, Mr. Chair.
Oh, ito yung mga staff ng Angkas. Oh, sino si Attorney Leido? Meron ba kayo Attorney Leido? Sino? Sino si Velasco, Mr. Velasco? Patrick Velasco.
Sir, Patrick Velasco and Attorney Liedo is our legal and yung emergency response team. Kilala ko po yun.
Oh, ayan, attorney na, legal at saka response team.
Yes, sir.
Oh, at ganon.
I will look into it, Mr. Chair. I'm not familiar with the case, pero rest assured. Sure. Sir, resolve na daw po, sabi ni... Sir, let me take a look at this, but resolve na daw po as per our team here, but I will make sure po that if it's not resolved, I will resolve it. My apologies, Mr. Chair.
December 6 lang ito sumulat sa amin. So, kailan niyo po na-resolve?
Sir, I will make sure I will resolve
Ano,
it, sir.
December 6 lang. Tapos sabi mo agad
Hindi
resolve.
po. I will check po, Mr. Chair. My apologies.
Yes,
If I may be
Attorney
recognized
Guadis.
with regards to the complaint against Angkas, the complaint, Mr. Chair, gives us a bigger focus. Marami pa sigurong mga ganyan na nangyayari, not with Angkas, but with the other TNCs, which brings to light, meron ho tayo sa batas yung passenger accident insurance.
Mhm.
It is a no-fault policy na automatic pag namatay ka or may nangyari sa'yo, there is a 400,000 money given to indemnification given po doon sa nasugatan or doon ho sa namatayan. So, I would like to know ho kung the company like TNC, Angkas is enrolled with this passenger accident insurance po. Because automatic po yan, hindi naman ho sila dapat nagbabayad or you can give something more, but there is a minimum amount set by the law.
Yes. So, ibig sabihin, thank you, Attorney Guadis. Dapat, bago kayo tumanggap ng inyong rider o driver, make sure yung kanilang sasakyan na ginagamit ay insured, comprehensive ang insurance. Do you do that as a requirement? O tanggap kayo ng tanggap kahit na EPL lang palang insurance ng rider-driver nyo?
Thank you po, Mr. Chair, for that. Yes po, meron po kaming insurance na binibigay. We're compliant po with the personal accident insurance.
No, what do you mean yung driver na nag-a-apply?
Ano po, kami po
Comprehensive.
yung nagbibigay. sir.
Okay, nagbibigay.
Opo, oo.
So, anong binibigay nyo? Comprehensive?
Yung personal accident, comprehensive po, accident insurance. For both the passenger and the biker po. Covered po sila.
Okay. Well, kung gano'n, dapat hindi kayo nagkakaproblema. Dapat walang ganito mga klaseng reklamo.
Sir, I will look into the complaint po, sir, and I'll make sure that it's resolved. Thank you po for bringing it to light.
Okay.